G'day boys and girls. Today, on this windy ass day, I'm doing a highly requested video. I'm going to install a DIY spark cut rev limiter on this Mazda B2200 Uterus. You're going to need an automotive relay, a push button switch, some ring terminals, and a bunch of wire. Terminals 85 and 86 activate the relay. 30 and 87 are going to cut your ignition by grounding the coil. Some relays come with a handy little picture on them. You can reference this if you need to. My relay already had wires on a plug. These two thicker wires, the reddish ones, they're going to be grounding the ignition coil. And these smaller wires are going to the momentary push button switch inside the cabin. I recommend using a high beam or starter relay for this because I've had horn relays burn out on me. Your ignition coil should have a negative and a positive side. The negative side is the one we're going to be pulling to ground, and we're going to be taking 12 volts from the positive side to power the relay. This is where we're mounting the relay, and it's also going to serve as the grounding point for the output. Here's the relay all mounted up. You can see that pin 86 is connected to the positive terminal of the coil, and pin 87 is connected to the negative side. This black wire is going inside the cabin. This is terminal 85. Now grab your big bunch of wire and stuff it through the firewall. This goes to one side of the push button switch. The other side goes to ground. It doesn't matter where you ground it, just as long as it's ground. you are. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you do this to your own car, leave a comment below with a video link so I can watch it. Leave a comment and tell me what else do you want to see me do. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more.
Somebody wake me up!